Hello there. You are welcome to today's episode of Trigonometric. That we should solve sine 2s is equals to 3 sine is equals to sine 3s. Sine 2s is equals to sine 3s. How can we do this? This is one of the questions that normally come out in a GMAT, NATEP, all these international relations exam. So please, I want you to pay attention because it will be solved step by step. So now let's proceed. Sine 2s is equals to sine 3s. Remember our sine formula that says if you have sine 2a, sine 2a will give you 2 sine a cos a. Then if you have sine 3a, then sine 3 will give you 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. If you want to know how we arrive at this and this, put it in the comment section. I will throw more light on how we arrive at this. Now let's proceed. We shall now use this principle now to solve this. So now let's move. Sine 2x will be what? 2 sine s cos x. That's what you have. 2 sine s cos x. Then sine 3s will be what? 3 sine s minus 4 sine cube x. So if you like what I'm doing, please, I would like you to share, like, and drop any question in the comment section. Especially share to the community that need this particular topic so that it will what? It will help them pass their exams in fly colors. Now let's proceed. Now, as I said, we have this. Now, how can we proceed from here? This is an equation. So we have to equate this with this. So we now have 2 sine x cos x is equals to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. That's what we have. So now rearrange the equation. So this one might come here. So we now have 4 sine cube x minus 3 sine x plus 2 sine x cos x. You know what I did? This is an equal sign, of course. When a minus sign is crossing what? This equal sign, it will turn to what? Positive. That's what you are saying. So the same thing, there is an invisible plus here. That's why you are saying minus 3. It's crossing this bridge. So to come and meet 2 sine x cos x, that's what you are saying. Now let's proceed. So let's proceed from here. So the next thing now is to put what? Equal to 0. Because we have the left hand side and the right hand side, so we have to equate everything with 0. Because the question is saying that we should get the value for s. What is the meaning of this statement? It means s greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to what? 360. So we are getting our values from here. But before we can get our value, we have to solve this. So now let's move. So here we have sine s. From here we have to break this down into bracket 4 sine square x. So this times this will give you this as well. Then minus 3 times this will give you this. Then plus 2 plus 2. 2 times sine s. Then cos s is equals to 0. So from this equation, we can now have sine s is equals to 0. So the values now, or the solutions, will now be s is equals to 0, pi, and 2 pi, etc. etc. Then what does this expression mean? It means that if we should plot this now on this graph, it means that for every 2 pi units, that's how the object is moving. Let's put this one to 1. So we now have from 0, remember, from 0 back, again, and again. So this is what? X. So we have pi here and we have 2 pi here. So for every 2 pi units, the object is moving like that. This is what is called sinusoidal movement. Now let's proceed. So now that we have gotten our what? Sin s to be that values, now we have to solve for what? Cos x. Solve for cos x from this. So we now have 4 sine square s minus 3 plus 2 cos s is equals to what? 0. So we now have, now what can we do from here? Yes, we have to look for cos s. So we can say, okay, 2 cos s is equals to 3 minus, 3 is moving to the other side. So we now have minus 4 sine square s. So if you understand from the beginning, if you are following from the beginning, when a positive sign is crossing an equal sign, it turns to negative. So that is what you are saying. So, but before we proceed, you have to remember one thing, that sine square x plus cos square s will give you 1. And now we need sine square. So meaning sine square s will be what? 1 minus cos square s. So we replace this with this now from here. So we now say 2 cos s is equals to 3 minus 4 into bracket 1 minus cos square s. That's what we have. So now let's proceed from here. So now 2 cos x is equals to 3 minus 4, then minus times minus will give you plus 4 cos square s. So 3 minus 4 will give you what? Minus 1. Then plus 4 cos square s. So the next thing now is to rearrange it, because we need to make cos the subject of the formula. We can say, okay, 4 cos square s minus this. Okay, let's rearrange it. We can say, okay, if this one should move now to the minus. Okay, let's say uh let's divide it by 2 first and see what will happen. Then cos s is equals to minus 1 plus 4 cos square s over 2. Let's divide it like that. Then if we divide it, I think if we cross multiply now, we still have what? 2 cos x again, which is equals to minus 1 plus 4 cos square s. So we can say, okay, 4 cos square s minus 2 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. Yes. So we can now say put cos x to be letter y. So let's write, because of time. Now we can now say 4y squared plus, no, minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now if you look at this expression now, it cannot be factorized because of the middle term. The middle term is saying that what two numbers being multiplied together that will give us 4, and at the same time, if we add it together, it will give us minus 2, 1. 2 and 1, 2 times 1, minus 2 minus 2. That means minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4. But minus 2 minus 2 will give us minus 4, so it cannot be added. So all we need to do now is to use what is called that algebraic formula, where we have minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over what? 2a. That is what we have. So now we have numerical constant from this expression. We can say a is equals to 4, b is minus 2, and c is what? Minus 1. So we now input all this one from this place. So we can now say s is equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root. Now, minus 2 square minus 4. A is what? 4 times minus 1 all over 2 times 4. So we can now have 2 plus or minus square root 4 minus 4 times 4, 16 times minus 1. That's plus 16 over 8. So now let's proceed. Let's continue. So we can now have s is equals to 2 plus or minus square root 20 over what? 8. So we can now have 2 plus or minus. Now square root 20 will give us what? Square root 4 times 5 over 20, because this is a radical. Now we can now have s is equals to 2 plus or minus. Square root 4 will give us 2. Then we now have 2 root 5 over what? 20 over 8. Sorry, it's 8, not 20. 2 times 4 is 8. So we can now have 2 plus 2 root 5 over 8, or 2 minus 2 root 5 over 8. So we can now have s is 2 into bracket 1 plus root 5 over 8, or 2 into bracket 1 minus root 5 over 8. So we now have s is equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we can now have 1 plus root 5 over 4, or 1 minus root 5 over 4. So we shall use the positive 1 to solve for cos s. So we can remember we are putting s to be y. So we can now say cos s is equals to what? 1 plus root 5 over 4. So s is equals to what? Our cos. The inverse of our cos will be what? 1 plus root 5 over 4. So when you find it, you have a value less than 360. It can be 78 degree. Let's say we have 0 degree, 36, 78.43 degree, and so on and so forth. So if you have any question pertaining to this, ask. Put it in the comment section, and then I will gladly throw more light on it. You're welcome. So thank you till I come your way again.